The difference between northern, central, and southern cuisine of a country. Every country has its own unique cuisine, which is often influenced by its geography, climate, history, and culture. In many countries, the cuisine varies significantly from region to region, creating a diverse culinary landscape. In this article, we will explore the differences between the northern, central, and southern cuisine of a country, using Italy as an example. Northern cuisine. Northern Italian cuisine is characterized by its simplicity and use of butter and cream. This is due to the colder climate in the north, which makes it difficult to grow certain crops and encourages the use of richer ingredients. Northern Italian cuisine is often associated with pasta dishes, such as tagliatelle, lasagna, and tortellini, which are typically served with cream or butter-based sauces. Another staple of Northern Italian cuisine is risotto, a creamy rice dish that is often flavored with mushrooms or vegetables. Polenta, a dish made from cornmeal, is also a popular Northern Italian dish, often served with meat or cheese. Northern Italian cuisine also features a variety of soups and stews, such as minestrone and bolletto misto, a stew made with boiled meats and vegetables. The region is also known for its use of game meats, such as wild boar and venison, which are often served with polenta or pasta. Central cuisine. Central Italian cuisine is characterized by its simplicity and use of fresh ingredients. This is due to the mild climate in central Italy, which allows for a wider range of crops to be grown and encourages the use of lighter ingredients. Central Italian cuisine is often associated with pasta dishes, such as spaghetti alla carbonara and bucatini alla matriciana, which are typically served with tomato-based sauces. One of the most famous dishes in Central Italian cuisine is pizza, which originated in Naples but has since become popular throughout Italy and the world. Pizza margherita, with its simple tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and basil, is a classic Central Italian dish. Central Italian cuisine also features a variety of soups and stews, such as ribollita, a hearty soup made with bread, beans, and vegetables. The region is also known for its use of cured meats, such as prosciutto and salami, which are often served with fresh bread and cheese. Southern cuisine. Southern Italian cuisine is characterized by its bold flavors and use of fresh seafood. This is due to the warmer climate in the south, which allows for a wider range of seafood to be caught and encourages the use of spicy ingredients. Southern Italian cuisine is often associated with pasta dishes, such as spaghetti alla vongole and linguine ai frutti di mare, which are typically served with tomato-based or oil-based sauces. One of the most famous dishes in Southern Italian cuisine is caponata, a sweet and sour eggplant dish that is often served as an appetizer. Another popular Southern Italian dish is parmigiana, which is made with fried eggplant, tomato sauce, and cheese. Southern Italian cuisine also features a variety of seafood dishes, such as grilled octopus and fried calamari. The region is also known for its use of spicy ingredients, such as red pepper flakes and chili peppers, which can be found in many dishes. Another staple of Southern Italian cuisine is the use of fresh herbs, such as basil, oregano, and parsley. These herbs are often used to flavor sauces and meats, such as in the famous dish, spaghetti alla puttanesca. Regional differences in ingredients. In addition to differences in cooking techniques and flavor profiles, the northern, central, and southern cuisine of a country can also vary in terms of the ingredients used. For example, Northern Italian cuisine tends to use more butter and cream, while Central Italian cuisine favors fresh tomatoes and olive oil.